What is your name?
David.
How was your night?
Good.
What did you get up to tonight, David?
I had some good banter tonight with my fellow colleagues in the first year. We drank some drinks. We danced a few dances.
And in particular, in Parson Street, what did you do?
I personally my favorite
bitches.
fuck bitches. No. My favorite tonight was getting Sinead's phone, taking Sinead's phone, frapping Sinead, and taking videos and pictures of Sinead, because it was banterful.
Bantering, would you say?
I would say bantering. We had some bantering crack tonight.
Okay, and what would you say to Sinead right now?
Sinead, I would say you're fucked. You are so loaded.
But is there anything nice you would say to Sinead? Right?
Oh, anything nice. Sinead, I have loads of time for you. Just stop being drunk. That's all.
That all?
That's all.
Good night?
Oh, you're ginger too. It's cool. That's cool. That's cool.
Okay. Good night, Sinead.
Good night, Sinead. Bye.